Hi, this is what a team boot camp will look like. And this is just a sample using a demo account. So what I want to show you here is that I introduced this tool and what this is, the Maximizing Team Performance tool. We'll walk through this, what this means, how it applies to you. Then we get into the Five Voices data. After everybody on your team has taken the Five Voices assessment, then we will look at the Five Voices themselves and we will start to learn where they fit. We'll start to look at the distribution of the voices across your organization, your team, your division, whatever it is. We'll start to look at that. We'll talk about what that means. Are there surprises there? Are there not surprises there? How's the distribution look? Where are you doing well? Where do you probably need to fill some gaps? We'll talk about that and what that means. And then the next thing we'll do is we'll flip over and start talking about the dynamics of those voices. So it's one thing to understand the voice order of somebody and the way they communicate and their personality type, but it's another thing to understand how it interacts with other people and why people act the way they do, decision-making processes or how they process information. That's what we talk about here, and the dynamics of those team members and how to empathize and sympathize with one another. Then we come back to the team performance, our Maximizing Team Performance tool, and summarize that. And then we're actually going to talk about a few leadership insights with each one of those voices. So for the nurturer, for example, we'll talk about what it means to be an accidental nurturer and how that applies to that nurturing voice. And so we'll spend some time going through this together. And at the end, you will have some actionable insights. I'll show you the last screen. You're going to actually commit to taking one of those insights and practicing it, okay? Implementing that in the future. So this is free. This is something I'm doing to serve you out there, and I hope you'll take advantage of it. You're going to gain a lot of insight. The session takes, we plan for 90 minutes, but sometimes it takes less than that. And it's really meant for you to gain some insights in your team. If nothing else, if we never interact again after this, that's fine, right? I've been able to educate, I've been able to empower and give you a little bit more knowledge about your team dynamics. You can take these leadership insights and apply them. After this session, you will have something actionable to take with you. So that's it. I hope that we can get in touch soon and have this thing and empower you guys with some knowledge and some understanding about your team. Okay. Thanks, everybody. See ya.